Let me now review some of the differences between HTML4 and HTML5. HTML5 is completely compatible with HTML4 as well as XHTML, although some tags have become obsolete and can take two forms, a traditional one with HTML tags and the other one in XML. The following major HTML features are no longer available in HTML5. Frames, HTML styling tags, because you should be using CSS to style all of your elements. Some of the table formatting tags are no longer available. You should not be using tables for page layouts anymore. This can be done with CSS better anyway. Also, duplicate tags are no longer available in HTML5. Most, but not all, have been removed, although a few prominent ones do remain. Now, just because you encounter a feature that is no longer available in HTML5, this does not mean it will not work properly in HTML5 compliant browsers. Aside from the browser's own bad habits, part of the HTML5 specification is to create standards for complying with these unavailable features. Now, if you open up the removed elements in HTML5 document in the work files folder, you'll see a list of elements that have been removed from HTML5. These elements were removed for three main reasons. They were either duplicates of existing elements, or their functionality was simply to style things, or they were related to frames. Some of the more important elements that have been removed include the base font. You should be using CSS instead. The big tag, also use CSS instead. The center tag, you'll want to use the CSS property text align equals center. The font tag has been completely removed in favor of using CSS. Others that have been removed include the strike tag, the TT tag, the U tag, the frame tag. Frames no longer exist in HTML5, so the frame set is gone. The no frames is gone. Acronym tag is gone. Use the abbreviation tag instead, since the functionality of these two were essentially the same. Other tags removed are the applet tag, the IS index. This is a tag for input prompts. Use the standard form tags instead, and the dir tag. This is a duplicate of the more common UL tag. Also saved to the work files folder is a Word document labeled Attributes Removed in HTML5. If you open this up in Word, you'll see a list of attributes that are no longer available in HTML5. For unnamed reasons, this includes the access key attribute, shape and chords attributes, target attribute on a link, the no href attribute on an area, and so on. Below this is another list of attributes. These are no longer available in HTML5 because their function should be accomplished with CSS. This includes the align attribute on caption, iframe, image, input, object head, table, div tags, h1, h2, as well as h3, 4, 5, and 6. The A-link, link, and text, as well as the V-link attributes on the body tag, the background attribute on the body tag, the BG color attribute on the table, TR, TD, TH, and the body tag, and so on. See a full list of these attributes that should be replaced with CSS in the document that I've placed in the Work Files folder entitled Attributes Removed in HTML5. Let me now move on and review in more detail some of the more important new HTML5 elements.